Nanababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, bumalik po kami dito sa Ribs and Chops dahil naimbitahan po kami upang matikman ang kanilang bagong-bagong produkto, which is beef ribs.
Yes.
Rather.
So titingnan natin kung ano yung mga bagong flavors nila. And syempre, titikman na rin natin yan.
So yun guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ayun nga, so finally matitikman natin ulit na we're gonna taste it straight from the
Grill.
Okay, so we have two flavors actually. The one is hickory and the other one is whiskey. Actually guys, tero to with dalawang mashed potato. Ito. And the 999.95 is actually an introductory price. Until further notice po tayo kung kailan sila magpa-price change. So, grab nyo na habang mura pa, guys. Disclaimer guys, no? So, yung kinainan natin ngayon is actually their kitchen. Ayan, no? Wala pa pong dining dito. So, hopefully in the near future, baka makita natin sila sa mga malls or even mga standalone mga stalls. Mag-open na rin po sila ng mga dining.
So if you want to order naman, they are available sa Grab, Food Panda, and Mangan.
Business hours naman po, you can start ordering as early as 10 a.m. and then 9 a.m. po magpo-close na sila. So last order around 8:30 p.m. siguro.
Yes,
Monday to Sunday yan. Sila po ay located dito sa Victor Street, Block 4, Lot 1, Balibago, Angeles City. There you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And when you share it, tag nyo pong We're in Pampanga para malike din namin yan.
Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.